Welcome back, everybody. So today we are going to see if the Mr. Bubble Bath will mix into our white and call it cloudy clear slime. I think we saw the bubble bath crystals that we got, crackles or whatever, which was really cool. It was really cool. Sounded really cool. It was a complete mess. It took us like 20 minutes to clean that up, but. The hope is this is a little easier, so we'll see what this does to our slime. So we'll start with the...
Do we both need to do it since it's just one product?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I don't want that much.
Yeah. Okay. And I'll make a little... Here, let's move...
This one's disclaimer kind of as good as the cotton candy.
Put this kind of like, I'm gonna make a little like hole, like incline, yeah. Okay, all right. Maybe it's like the glue, right? So it just mixes really nicely.
I think it's gonna be watery like all the other ones.
Maybe we'll get a water slime. I don't know. Here, this right here.
Oh, shoot. Oh God, yeah. I can't even hold on to it. Look at this.
Oh my goodness. Okay. It smells really nice though.
Yeah, but...
It smells really nice. It's not too bad.
Mine just completely fell apart.
I see that.
Maybe I didn't have enough fun. Maybe I used too much bubble bath and not enough fun.
That's true. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, it mixed. I mean, it's always like... I think you just gotta knead it a little more.
Yeah, here we go. I'm good. I don't need more. I got it now. It's almost got, look, it's got like a pinkish tint.
It does.
Very subtle.
It smells really nice.
It smells like Mr. Bubble Bath.
I wonder if we could put this, like, mix it into the mixer when we do the base for like a Mr. Bubble Bath slime and then color it pink.
And put little duckies in it.
That would be cute. That would actually.
That would be, but we'd have to do the clear so you'd see the ducks.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, or the ducks could just go on top.
That's true.
All right, so there you go. It will mix. It smells actually amazing. It smells really good, actually. like it does actually smell really good. All right, so let's do here. I'll throw mine in with yours. This pour clear. Look. Cloudy clear. Yeah. Still cannot figure out this clear. Alright, so I'm gonna make...
Less is more, right?
I think so. I think less is definitely more.
Doing the same thing.
Oh, mine did what yours did.
Keep doing it. It'll get undone.
I don't know.
I don't know, it's hella sticky though. I mean, really sticky, sorry.
I mean, I don't think we're like kid friendly, so I mean, probably a lot of kids watching this, but I'll probably have to cut that out.
Right.
That whole piece. Because, again, it'll mix. It's just
Really sticky. I'm gonna say the right word this time. Is it covered? Look at this.
I know. It actually might be the clear slime. We might need to throw it back in the mixer and put some more activator in it. Honestly.
My arms are tired.
This has been a workout today. Smells. The white base smelled better.
The white smells better.
The white smelled better.
Alright.
My arms are like aching. There you go. Will it mix? Yes. Was it?
Do we recommend it?
No.
No.
Has it been as cool as the other ones that we've done? Nah. I mean, it was literally, I think it's almost like just putting soap into your slime. But this poor white base is,
This is clear.
yeah, sorry, the clear base is just god awful. Oh god. I'm just trying to get it off my hands. Oh look, there we go. I'm just trying to get it off my hands. Oh, there we go. Actually, that's not too bad. There you go. Mr. Bubble.
Maybe
Will it
Mr.
mix?
Bubble's the secret ingredient.
Maybe it is. I don't know. We've been looking for that secret ingredient. As always, thank you guys for watching. We love making these videos. We've really had a great time. More videos coming as always. Continue to check out the channel. Appreciate all the support. We hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys again.